Hello everyone, this is Yamin and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can upload your HTML website on internet and share it with your friends. All you have to do is that keep the website link to your friend and they will be able to see it. So the website, HTML website I'm going to upload is this one. Here you can see. So I'll just go inside and here you can see the file name is index.html. So if I just double click over here, so this is the HTML animation I just created. So I want to upload it to the internet. For it, what I need to do is that just go to the browser and then we need to search for Netlify. Just search for Netlify and here you can see netlify.com. So I'll just click here and it will take you to this page. So I'll also give this link in the description. So after coming here, we need to sign up. Here you can see sign up options. But I already have a Netlify account. So I'll just directly click on login. Then I'll log in with my email address. So I'll give my email. Then I'll give my password. Then click on login. And there you can see it took us to the Netlify dashboard. So after coming here, just click on projects. Then if you go down here, you can see on to deploy a new project without connecting to Git. So here we need to upload our project. So in order to upload the project, what we need to do is that we need to go to our project. And one more thing I would like to mention is that the main file of your website should be index.html. Otherwise, it will not work. So this is my HTML project. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to drag this and then I'll leave it over here. If I now just leave it, here you can see it is uploading and there you go. So then you will see something like this. And if you now go down here, you can see permalink. So if you now just click here, there you can see it will open our HTML website over here. You can see, and this is the link. So if you share this link with your friend, they will be able to see your HTML website. So if you just copy this link and share it with your friend, if they open it in different browser, then press enter, they will be able to see your website. So this is how you can upload your HTML website to internet and share it with your friend. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.